not a nervous course.
At 12:34 p.m. Central Time above the southern Indian Ocean, we have confirmation of contact and capture of NASA's Boeing Crew Flight Test and Starliner aboard the International Space Station. Getting a beautiful view now of Starliner as it continues its approach.
Then, several minutes later, the arms on that soft capture system will retract.
Lots of cheering here in the room, big hugs. Anyway, make room in her blue flight suit.
And followed shortly behind by Commander of Starliner, Coach Gilmore.
I'm not sure we could have gotten a better welcome. I mean, we had music, we had Matt was dancing. It was great. What a wonderful place to be. Great to be back here.